Hey, what's going on, my G-Shock watch lovers? So today I have a G-Shock watch that's going to be a little bit on the different size, especially the color. So to be quick about it, it's going to come in this tin can here, and one of my first handful of G-Shock watches that comes in a tin can. All right, so this G-Shock, why it's so special, all right, even if I already took it out already because of my excitement. Why it's so special, it's because of this green strap. And I gotta let you know now, my favorite color is green. So yeah. Now it does come in this box here, and the model name is going to be GM-5600CL-3DR. That's 3DR. I don't know why I started. But anyways. So yeah. Now, it's no different compared to any other DW5600 series, and I'm going to take this plastic off. Now, in a moment or two, I will be taking this G-Shock watch outdoors to give you an idea of how it looks outdoors. But for the time being, those of you who love green, let's go ahead and take the time to, well, appreciate this green. All right, beautiful. It doesn't go flat down on the surface. It's not those kind of watches that would be that. So if you don't like that, then that's -1 for you, or for this watch, right? But it's a negative display, and just like any other DW5600, even though this model is a GM model, it's gonna have just about the same size of that of a DW5600, okay? Same button layout, except the button looks slightly bigger. Maybe it's just something with my eyes there, I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at it with a positive display one so we can kind of see what's what. All right, so what do I like about this here, other than it's green and has that gold frame, is the simplicity of the inner bezel part. There's not much text going on, which is how I really do love my watches. So it's going to be similar to this G-Shock watch in particular. All right, even though they're different models, but same layout. Whereas this has this little layer here, this front bump right there. This one doesn't have it. It's a straight flat bump. Again, it has a little sort of like metal finish. I forget what you call that. Whereas the rest of it is chrome. Okay, so it's going to be a shiny chrome, whereas it's going to have this sort of flat metal finish. All right, so it's quite a beautiful watch. All right, and I'm gonna wear this like in special occasions. Okay, it's got this nice backlight, just like most G-Shock watches out there. It's got the adjust here, and it's the same features as that of the DW5600. Okay, you got your time, you got your alarm, you got your timer, and you got your stopwatch. You got your start and stop up here to the right top, and then back to the time, and the adjust will help you adjust the time to what you want it to be. Okay, and of course the light there. Okay, and you can see underneath it what model it is to be exact. So it's GM5600, not DW. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this outdoor. One thing to note before we go outside is that the belt here is kind of sort of transparent. It's not a solid green. On images, and I'll show you the image here where I actually got mine from. The image in particular is going to have that solid green look, but if you look closer, it's actually transparent, which I kind of failed to see. I guess I was just so excited about it being green. And I was lucky to get mine for $109, whereas this right now will possibly fall into the $200 price range. So other than the birds chirping, you can see the gold stands out pretty awesome. The green shines from the inside, the gold shines, and the green slightly transparent strap does justice. So I would say wear this for only special occasions. It's a pretty awesome watch, that's for sure. In a room with slightly light coming in, that's the visibility for you. In a room near the window where the light is coming in, that's the visibility for you. And keep in mind, this is a negative display watch. Somewhere in my closet, this is how the light looks when you light it up. So it's quite bright, and in certain angles, such as this angle here, is how it will actually look in real life. Not that super bright light you saw a while ago. And from a distance, it's gonna look something like this here, just in case you wanted to know. So to wrap this video up, basically, it is going to be a fingerprint magnet with that chrome gold area. So if you got sweaty hands and every now and then you touch it to check the time, whatnot, you're gonna find your fingerprints on this thing. And if you don't like that, then I would avoid this. And next thing, if you don't like green, then, well, this is not for you. If you don't like shiny chrome watches, this is also not for you. And it is just about the same as any other DW5600, except it starts with GM, not DW. But same features, same light, same style, same frame, but I'd say it's gonna be slightly more weight to it. And well, hey, it is what it is. But if you love green and you want something different compared to your other digital type watches, as there are not much digital watches out there that has this color, I'd say go for it. So this is going to be quite a unique color. And let me tell you, when I saw this, without any hesitation, I clicked buy it now. And ladies and gentlemen, if this helped you in any way to make a purchase decision or consider buying it, let me know in the comments section. Also, like and sub.